Hey, thanks everybody. Yeah, thanks for coming out, Halloween. All these are, thank you. Yeah, we're called Microkingdom. Thanks for, just thank you. You guys are great. Everybody playing and rocking out, dancing and hanging out, the audience and stuff, like they're drinking the beers. Tip your bartenders. Brandon. Where's Brandon? There's Brandon. Hey, so there's this rock and roll band that's known for being kind of scary but funny called the Misfits. And their very first single came out in '77 and it was called Cough. Cool. And we're going to play that one for you. Alright, happy Halloween! Thanks for Arinoldo. Hey, thank you. We're Microkingdom. We chat is next.